OCTG stands for Oil Country Tubular Goods. It refers to a group of steel pipes used specifically in oil and gas drilling and production. In simple terms, OCTG pipes are used to drill wells, support the well structure, and transport oil and gas to the surface. Without OCTG pipes, oil and gas extraction would not be possible. OCTG products mainly include casing, tubing, and drill pipe. Casing is used to reinforce the wellbore and protect underground formations. Tubing is used to bring oil or gas from the reservoir to the surface. Drill pipe is used during drilling to rotate the drill bit and deliver drilling fluid. OCTG pipes are used in both onshore and offshore oil and gas fields. They are designed to work under high pressure, high temperature, and harsh underground conditions. So when people talk about OCTG, they are talking about the core pipes behind oil and gas production.